How we made the Doctor. Strange ring sling from start to finish. This was resin printed on our Anycubic Mono 4K. Once it finished printing, the sling went for an alcohol bath. All supports are removed with the help of warm water. Then the resin is cured by UV light. Nice and cured. The resin no longer has a scent or stickiness to it. After some light sanding, the sling got its first coat of a metallic gold paint. Some light weathering is applied to help the details pop. All nice and done. I think the Doctor would approve.